Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. This is video number 2 of our French slang series, and it's all about adjectives. The first one I chose is lourd, which literally means heavy. It's a normal everyday word for heavy, which has now been changed to mean bloody annoying or a pain. For instance, if you say to someone, arrête, t'es lourd, it means stop it, you're being bloody annoying. So the arrête is stop it. And we should say tu es lourd. But obviously, because we speak so fast, we say t'es lourd. Chiant, on the other hand, is way more rude than lourd. Lourd is not really rude, it's just a bit colloquial. Be careful when you use that one. It means boring as shit or annoying as hell. Depends on the context, but it could mean both. The example I've chose, ce cours de maths est vraiment chiant. This maths lesson is boring as shit. That's what we used to say in school, actually. And then the next one, you can't really do without that one, is bourré or cuité, which means drunk or in UK English, plastered. If you say to your mate, t'étais complètement bourré hier soir, or complètement cuité, you were totally plastered last night. Again, very colloquial. And notice we should say tu étais again, but we said t'étais, because it's faster. This one is actually not slang, but it's very familiar. Instead of saying drôle, we say marrant or rigolo, which means funny. You would say, for instance, ce film est drôlement marrant, which will be in English, this film is well funny. It's kind of the same equivalent. Sounds a bit youth talk. Other example is canon, which is specifically used for a stunning woman, a stunning girl. La copine de Marcel est canon would mean Marcel's girlfriend is hot. Siphonner, you will hear this one all the time, means crazy. Mon voisin est complètement siphonné. My neighbor is totally crazy. That's not rude, that's just slang. And one again we use every day, merdique, which is crappy. That's quite slang, but it's not rude. For instance, you would say, c'est quoi ce stylo merdique? What's with this crap pen? And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt.